Viewers, today I will show you how to make low-cost sticky trap for controlling different small size harmful insect. For making sticky trap we need some material. Now I want to show you what kind of material we need. For making sticky trap we need any kind of container. We need some paint, white, yellow or blue color. We can use any kind of paint, but white, yellow and blue color is most important for attracting the insect. So, and we need some engine lubricant oil for making the trap sticky. Let me show you the preparation. This is white color paint and this is yellow color paint. Now I am going to paint the container. First I am using white color. You have to paint all the outer surface to attract the harmful insect. Now keep it undisturbed until dry. Now I am keeping it here for drying. Viewers, now I will paint another container with yellow color. Now I will put it here for drying. Here's now the container is ready. It has already dried. So now I will I will apply engine lubricant oil on the outer surface of the container to make the surface sticky for harmful insect. This is engine lubricant oil. Now I am applying engine lubricant oil on the surface of the container. To make the surface sticky. It's very easy. You can use cloth also. Now the trap is ready to use. You can see the outer surface is sticky. This field is already infected by whitefly. You can see, I want to show you the infestation of whitefly. This is the whitefly. I want to show you another leaf. This is the whitefly. Our sticky trap is ready. So now I am going to fix the sticky trap in this field. fix the sticky trap just above the crop. So this is the stick, and we need a stick to fix the sticky trap. Now the trap is ready to capture the harmful insect. I am going to fix another sticky trap in another place. Three days later, I will come and show you how many insects captured by the sticky trap. Friends, I am back. 3 days ago, I put sticky trap in this field. So now I want to show you. So this is a white color sticky trap. You can see lots of insect already captured this sticky trap. Lots of whitefly, then thrips, and also some aphid it has already captured. So this way you can prepare the sticky trap and use in your field for controlling harmful insect, and you can also reuse it. Just clean the surface and again apply engine lubricant oil on the surface and again fix this sticky trap in your field. So this is very cheap, very easy technology, and you need not to buy the sticky trap from the market. You can make it in your home and it's very cost effective. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting next video.